Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be trying Godot engine. Hold on, let me install it. Done. Alright, so now that we have here this Godot engine file, I think, let's try it out. Wait, hold on. Godot, create. What? Anyways, yeah, create. Um, I'm just going to call it univer, universized. Oh, um, I just don't know. Whatever. 3D? What? Hold on. 3D? Wait, I thought you can make your also 2D games. Maybe you do it like that. Wait. Oh, there it is. Create new node. So they use nodes as instances. I'll take this node. It looks like a 2D node. Let's call the game. Whatever. Now, how do I create the character? Also, shout out to Lemon Guy for recommending this. So yeah, that's a sprite. What if I hold on. Alright. Now let's make this the root and call this player. So now I will make a variable for speed. Let's make him super fast. Wait, don't use them. So now we're going to use Angular. Yeah. Let's try it now. Oh, wait. Hold on. So, if you don't understand how this works, hey guys, I'm in the middle of editing this video. If you do not want to hear me yapping about what every code of line does, well, you can just skip to 7 minutes and 37 seconds and, you know, now see ya. Let's continue the video. So, firstly, we're declaring a new variable called speed, and this type and the speed, it's an integer set to 400. And now we're declaring a new variable called angular, and it's a float. So I set this float to pi. Right now, func underscore physics underscore process. This function, it's for like, you know, this will give you the answer. You can pause anytime to read, I don't mind. And then we're getting a variable from the engine function called delta. This is also a float. And this just means that it gives in return absolutely nothing. So what direction, it's now an integer. So this condition means if we just press the left arrow or however it's mapped in the project settings and input mapping, then we're setting the direction to -1. Or like, but if we but I stutter a lot. If input, that is action pressed UI right, this means if we press the right arrow or however it's mapped, the direction will be set to 1. So in here, so we add to the rotation the angular pi we have here, just pi, and then we multiply it by our direction. That means if we press left, then this is going to be -1, or if we press right, this is going to be 1. So now we are multiplying direction also by delta, like so. Then delta is like how much time passed since the last second, I think. I don't really remember, but I use it a lot. Alright, now we're going to the velocity, the movement. So I'm declaring here a new variable called velocity. This variable contains a vector2 data type, and it's set to like 0, 0. Alright, does you know what it means? If you press the up arrow, then no. But this time we're setting the velocity to vector2.up.rotated. This means vector up, it's this. And when we rotate it like to a rotation that we have here, then we multiply the result by speed. This makes it much faster. So position, and when we add here velocity, we're adding the velocity we just like set here. Then we multiply it by delta. So this is how the entire script works. So this handles the rotation, and this handles the movement. I suck at explaining. And yeah, I will now like use Godot a lot. Hold on. I'm going to script here something. If input that is score action first, UI down, please work. OCD equals vector 2 down that rotated rotation multiplied by speed. So use the semicolons. Oh yeah, and tell me in the comments if you want, like, Godot tutorials. I'll really be happy to make for you guys. This engine is actually cool, but Unity is better anyway. So that's it for this video. See ya.